Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that this one that is about the power of 1 over 4. So this one that is about number 1. So we have the same base 1 minus cosine 3x. In this one we can put like this. And this one that is about 5 over 4. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus cosine 3x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have negative number 3 sine 3x, negative and negative we have positive. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here. So we have 1 minus cosine of number 0, we have number 0. When s equals to b over 6, so I will put b over 6 gone here, and we can find the value of u. And we have u equals to number 1. So this one we keep the same. B over 6 we change by number 1. This one we change by u. This one we change by this one. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, so we put 5 over 4 gone here, and we have like this. And now we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we have like this. So we calculate this one, and we have 4 over 27. This is the end. Thank you for watching.